The book of Zechariah, chapter 8. Again, the word of YAHUAH of hosts came to me, saying, Thus saith YAHUAH of hosts, I was jealous for Zion with great jealousy, and I was jealous for her with great fury. Thus saith YAHUAH, I am returned unto Zion, and will dwell in the midst of Jerusalem. And Jerusalem shall be called a city of truth, and the mountain of YAHUAH of hosts, the set-apart mountain. Thus saith YAHUAH of hosts, There shall yet old men and old women dwell in the streets of Jerusalem, and every man with his staff in his hand for very age. And the streets of the city shall be filled with boys and girls playing in the streets thereof. Thus saith YAHUAH of hosts, If it be marvelous in the eyes of the remnant of this people in these days, should it also be marvelous in mine eyes, saith YAHUAH of hosts? Thus saith YAHUAH of hosts, Behold, I will save my people from the east country and from the west country. I will bring them, and they shall dwell in the midst of Jerusalem, and they shall be my people, and I will be their Elohim in truth and in righteousness. Thus saith YAHUAH of hosts, Let your hands be strong, ye that hear in these days these words by the mouth of the prophets, which were in the day that the foundation of the house of YAHUAH of hosts was laid, that the temple might be built. For before these days there was no hire for man, nor any hire for beast. Neither was there any peace to him that went out or came in because of the affliction. For I set all men every one against his neighbor. But now I will not be unto the residue of this people as in the former days, saith YAHUAH of hosts. For the seed shall be prosperous, the vine shall give her fruit, and the ground shall give her increase, and the heavens shall give her dew, and I will cause the remnant of this people to possess all these things. And it shall come to pass, that as ye were a curse among the heathen, O house of Yehudah, and house of Yahshar'el, so will I save you, and ye shall be a blessing. Fear not, but let your hands be strong. For thus saith YAHUAH of hosts, As I thought to punish you when your fathers provoked me to wrath, saith YAHUAH of hosts, and I repented not, so again have I thought in these days to do well unto Jerusalem and to the house of Yehudah. Fear ye not. These are the things that ye shall do. Speak ye every man the truth to his neighbor. Execute the judgment of truth and peace in your gates. And let none of you imagine evil in your hearts against his neighbor, and love no false oath. For all these are things that I hate, saith YAHUAH. And the word of YAHUAH of hosts came unto me, saying, Thus saith YAHUAH of hosts, The fast of the 4th month, and the fast of the 5th month, and the fast of the 7th month, and the fast of the 10th shall be to the house of Yehudah joy and gladness and cheerful feasts. Therefore love the truth and peace. Thus saith YAHUAH of hosts, It shall come to pass that there shall come people, and the inhabitants of many cities, and the inhabitants of one city shall go to another, saying, Let us go speedily to pray before YAHUAH, and to seek YAHUAH of hosts. I will go also. Yea, many people and strong nations shall come to seek YAHUAH of hosts in Jerusalem, and to pray before YAHUAH. Thus saith YAHUAH of hosts, In those days it shall come to pass that 10 men shall take hold out of all languages of the nations, even shall take hold of the skirt of him that is a Yahudim, saying, We will go with you, for we have heard that Elohim is with you.